Hey guys, so I'm doing another video for you, so please watch all my other videos if you haven't already catched up. Tonight we're just having just quite an easy, simple tea. To be fair, we're having a stir fry oriental noodle meal. So yeah, I think it's mixed noodles and chicken, vegetables and oriental style sauce. So I just thought it's simply quick and easy, really, to be fair. So yeah. But we've also got some fries. So just quick stir fry and fries. Oh yeah. I'll show you in a minute, okay? We just whack them all in now, guys. Just whack it all in. Give it a good stir in a moment. Just give it a good stir. Obviously just leave it settle and then cook. Just let it nice and cook it, just basically let it cook for a bit. If you'd like to, guys, you can leave it in a bit longer. As you can see, it's cooking now. I'll come in and I'll just ask no posh, alright? Cook. Me, common. I'm common as anything I am, mate. But yeah, I was trying to act posh then. But yeah, cook this further up. So I think it's about 15-20 minutes to stir fry all this like this, really. So the smell of this, guys, oh, bloody hell, it's gorgeous smell. The aroma is absolutely divine. And I'll show you the finishing touches. And chips now, guys. It's a beautiful stir fry, just look at that. I'll show you in a moment. Here we are, guys, a stir fry with fries. Stir fry with fries, how about that, get it? But yeah, a lovely stir fry with fries. It's beautiful. If you have enjoyed watching all my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you all later. Make sure your notifications are not all turned on for this channel. I'll see you later, guys.